Ladies and gentlemen, Godfather back to you with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And turn on that notification bell button till you never miss another video. So, your internal storage and SD card are full and you don't know what to do? Don't fear, the Godfather is here to help solve all those problems. To get started, all you need is a Gmail account. Go to My Files, tap on Google Drive. You need to sign in with your Gmail account. Tap on Allow. And you're good to go. To solve our problem, all we need to do is go to internal storage, select any of the above files. You can select multiple files. Tap on Move. Tap on Google Drive. Tap Move here. Wait for it to move. That's all, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell button till you never miss another video.